Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is LeetCode 2221. Find triangular sum of an array. So here is given a vector num, and the nums of I is basically lies between from 0 to 9. Okay, means the 9 is also can be included. So you have to follow these 4 rules, means the processes that you're following. I will explain it through an example because it is easy to understand rather than learning from theory. You can also learn from an example. So here is an example. Vector given is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to return the vector when its size become 1. And how the process is follows, you have to add previous two element and get the new element, means 1 plus 2 equals to 3, 2 plus 3 equals to 5, 4 plus 3 equals to 7, and 4 plus 5 equals to 9. You have to do until you will get a last element, means the vector size should be 1, and you can consider it as an opposite of a Pascal triangle. So let's do this. While nums dot size is greater than 1, then you just have to do for int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot size minus 1, and then I plus plus nums of I is equals to nums of I plus nums of I plus 1, and you have to do the modulo. If it is greater, then you just have to do the modulo. And after this, after the for loop, you have to do nums dot pop back, means it will remove the last element because the size of an element because the size of a triangle is decreasing, so you have to do the pop back. And after this you just have to after this the after the ending of a while loop, you just have to return the nums of 0. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this code. This code has been accepted. Thanks for watching.